In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change country in Outlook. This process involves updating your Microsoft account settings since Outlook relies on that information. Understanding how to navigate these settings can enhance your Outlook experience and ensure that your account reflects the correct country for services and features. First, go to the Microsoft account profile page by entering the web address account.microsoft.com/profile. This is the central hub for managing your Microsoft account. Once you reach the page, you will see options to sign in. It is crucial to access your profile settings accurately, as this is where you will make the necessary changes. So make sure you're using a reliable internet connection to avoid disruptions while signing in. Next, sign in with your Outlook email address and password. This step verifies your identity and grants you access to your account settings. When entering your credentials, ensure they are accurate to prevent any login issues. This process is important for securing your account and ensures that your changes will be saved properly. Once you have successfully entered your information, you will be directed to your account overview. From there, click on Your Info. This section contains important personal details about your account, including your current country or region. You will see various options related to your account details. It's essential to be familiar with this area as it allows you to manage your profile effectively. Knowing where to find these settings saves you time and helps you ensure everything is correct. Now select Edit Profile Info. This action will take you to a page where you can modify specific details of your profile. This step is significant because it is where you will make the changes to your country. When you click this option, look for the section that contains your country or region information. You will soon be able to select your desired location. Under Country/Region, choose your new country from the drop-down list. It's important to select the right option as this will affect your account settings, subscriptions, and even your language preferences. Once you have made your selection, take a moment to verify that it is correct. This little step saves you a lot of time later, especially if you rely on your account for purchases or services tied to your location. Next, click Save. This action confirms your changes and updates your Microsoft account with the new details. You will see a confirmation message indicating that your information has been updated. It's reassuring to know that your changes are now saved and you can proceed knowing your account reflects your current situation. If you only want to change Outlook's language and regional format, open Outlook on the web. This action allows you to customize your viewing experience according to your preferred language and regional settings. You can enhance your productivity by adjusting these settings to suit your needs. Click on Settings, then navigate to General and select Language and Time. In this section, you will find options to choose your preferred language and country or region. This flexibility can be particularly useful if you are working in a multilingual environment. After that, choose the language and country/region you want. It is vital to select the correct options to ensure that Outlook displays the information accurately. Once you have made your choices, you will feel more comfortable using Outlook in your preferred language. Finally, click Save. This step confirms your language and regional format changes. You will receive a notification confirming that these adjustments are complete. Remember, Microsoft may prevent region changes if certain conditions apply, like recent changes or active subscriptions. Microsoft recommends changing your region only if you are moving to another country for an extended period. This is crucial because purchases, subscriptions, and account balances may not transfer seamlessly. Understanding these guidelines helps you manage your account effectively.